guys! Today in math, we are going to learn two new addition strategies to help us add two numbers. The first strategy that we are going to learn is called part, part, whole. Can you say that with me? Part, part, whole. Very good. Now let's take a look at our mat. This is called a part, part, whole mat. And what that shows is that we have two parts, one part and another part. If we put them together, we make a whole. Here we have two green blocks in our first part. That's why I wrote a 2 down here. We have two green blocks, and we have 1, 2, 3 orange blocks. I wonder how many we'll have together when we add them up. What will our whole be? How many will we have all together? Well, let's see. If I have two green blocks, I can draw it in. 1, 2, two green blocks. And I also had 3 orange blocks. So I'm going to draw 3 orange blocks up here. 1, 2, 3. So now I have both parts. I have my green part and I have my orange part. If we put them all together, how many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because 2 plus 3 equals 5. Now, what we're going to do, boys and girls, is we're going to move to the floor and I'm going to show you how you can use one of these mats with blocks and toys at home. As you can see, I have a part, part, whole mat right here. One part is made up of, 1, 2 yellow blocks. So I'm going to write a 2 right here. That's our first part. What's our other part? 1 green block. So I'm going to write a 1 right here. This is a part and this is a part. I wonder how many we'll have all together. We're going to slide them up. This is now our whole. We had 2 yellow, 1 green. How many all together? 1, 2, 3. Because 2 plus 1 equals 3. Let's do a challenge problem. Okay, guys, let's say that we know one of our parts. So we know we have 1 red block. And we also know the whole, meaning what we had all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 all together. But we don't know what that second part is. 1 plus what? Equals 4. Well, one thing we could do is use our number line, right? We learned that strategy last week. If we know that we have 1 red block, we could start at 1 and see how many more we need to get to 4, since we have 4 in our whole. Let's see, let's make some jumps. How many jumps do we need to take? 1, 2, 3. We took 3 jumps to get to the number 4. Let's try it out. 1 plus 1, 2, 3 green. Does that equal 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It did. We needed to add 3 more green blocks in order to make 4. We did it. We figured out that missing part. Great job, you guys. You guys did such a good job with our part, part, whole strategy. Now I'm going to teach you our last strategy. This one is called touch math. And what that means is that we are going to use touch points to help us count and add numbers. So I want you to imagine that all of the numbers 1 through 9 have touch points. Each number has that many touch points. So for example, 1 has 1. 2 has 2. 1, 2. 3 has 3. 1, 2, 3. How many do you think 4 has? 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 has 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we get down to 6, 7, 8, and 9. These touch points look a little bit different. What that means is that we need to count each of these 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we have 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I always like to do a smile. I think that's kind of fun. So as you can see, all the numbers 1 through 9 have touch points. Let's practice using this strategy now to add. One way we can use this strategy to help us is by counting all of the dots. For example, here we have 4 plus 5. Well, let's count those dots and see how many we have in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer to 4 plus 5 is 9. Now, that's a great strategy, and it does work, but it could take a while to count all of those dots. So one way that we can do addition a little bit faster using this strategy is by putting it together with our counting on. So for example, if I have 7 plus 3, I know that 7 is a bigger number. So I'm going to say that number in my mind, 7, and then count on my dots. 7, 8, 9, 10. See how easy that was? 7 plus 3, 7, 8, 9, 10 is 10. Let's do another one. 8 plus 2. 8, 9, 10. 8 plus 2 is 10. Wasn't that fast? Let's do another one. 6 plus 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 6 plus 5 is 11. Whoop. Whoop. Running out of space here. Whoop. There we go. Great job, guys. Bye, guys. As always, it was so fun to do math with you today. I hope that you have so much fun exploring these strategies, and I will see you next week. Bye.